Hi, grade threes. Welcome to lesson number 1 of our long division unit, where we're going to be looking at quotients, remainders, and how we use division to find those. I just want to let you know that you're welcome to pause this video at any time to have a better look at what I'm doing, and you can also rewind it a little bit to watch parts over. All right, here we go. So we're looking at quotients and remainders, and here we have a problem about Mandy having toy soldiers and figuring out how many need to go in each tent evenly, and if there's any left over. So we have our 14 toy soldiers, which are over here, and we need to get them into these tents evenly and see if there's an even number that fits in or if somebody are going to be left over. So we have 14 toy soldiers divided into 4 tents. That's the way we're used to seeing division. When we do long division, that changes a little bit. So what we have is our 14 soldier divided into 4 tenths. We're going to rewrite it so it now looks like this. We have a new symbol for division, and our answer goes on top. You're going to see our number of groups is going to go outside the symbol, and our number of things being grouped, which is toy soldiers in this case, is going to go inside the symbol. So what we need to do is follow a pattern called DMSB. And I'm going to talk about that more in our next video. But what we're going to do is we're going to divide this number into this number. So I'm going to look and I'm going to see if does 4 go into a 1. Can 4 divide into a 1? No, it doesn't. So I'm going to put a 0 there. It goes in 0 times. Now I need to use the next digit to help me. So does 4 go into 14? Yeah, it does. 4 can fit into 14 3 times without going over. And then what I can do to check that and do the next step is, well, I have my 3 times that 4 fit. So 3 multiplied by 4 gives me 12, which is smaller than the 14. We never want to have a number that's bigger. If I said 4 times 4 is 16, we know it's too big. 16 doesn't fit into 14, but 12 fits into 14. Our next step is we are going to minus the 12 from the 14 to see how many are left over. If we put 12 soldiers inside those tents, well, there's a couple left over because we had 14. So we're going to do 14 minus 12 gives us 2 left over. That's called the remainder, and we're going to write it over here. 3 remainder 2. What that's saying is there are 3 soldiers in each tent and 2 soldiers are left over. On our next video, I'm going to show you the process